Do you ever wonder how to multiply mixed numbers? I'll let you in on a little secret. You don't have to. Sure, there is a way to multiply mixed numbers directly using the distributive property, but it's a little complicated. Fortunately, there's another option where you don't actually multiply mixed numbers at all. Instead, you just convert them into improper fractions and multiply those, which you already know how to do. So, that's it for this video. Keep practicing and I'm just kidding. Even though that's all there is to it, it might help to see some examples. Our first example is 4 1/2 times 1 2/3. The first thing we need to do is convert our mixed numbers into improper fractions. To do that, we multiply the whole number part of our mixed number by a whole fraction with the same denominator as the fraction part of our mixed number. And then we add that to the fraction part of our mixed number. To convert 4 1/2, we have 4 times 2/2 plus 1/2. 4 times 2/2 is 8/2, and 8/2 plus 1/2 equals 9/2. To convert 1 2/3, we have 1 times 3/3 plus 2/3. 1 times 3/3 is just 3/3, and 3/3 plus 2/3 equals 5/3. Now that we've converted our mixed numbers into improper fractions, we multiply those together. So our multiplication problem is 9/2 times 5/3, which is much easier to do. We just multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 9 times 5 is 45, and 2 times 3 is 6. So our answer is 45/6. But we don't want to leave our answer as an improper fraction. Since our original problem was multiplying mixed numbers, we should convert our answer into a mixed number. To convert this into a mixed number, we need to find out how many whole fractions there are hiding in this improper fraction. And we can do that with division. We divide the numerator by the denominator, so 45 divided by 6 is 7 with a remainder of 3. The answer of the division tells us how many whole fractions there were in the improper fraction, 7. So 7 is the whole number part of our mixed number. And the remainder tells us what the leftover fraction will be. So the numerator will be 3, and the denominator stays the same, 6. So the mixed number form of our answer is 7 3/6, but that can be simplified to 7 1/2. So 4 1/2 times 1 2/3 equals 7 1/2. Let's do another example to make sure you've got it. Our next example is 2 1/3 times 3 3/4. Once again, we convert our mixed numbers into improper fractions. To convert 2 1/3, we multiply the whole number part 2 by a whole fraction with the same denominator as the fraction part, so 3/3. And then we add the fraction part of our mixed number, 1/3. 2 times 3/3 is 6/3, and 6/3 plus 1/3 is 7/3. To convert 3 3/4, we multiply the whole number part 3 by a whole fraction with the same denominator as the fraction part, so 4/4. And then we add the fraction part of our mixed number, 3/4. 3 times 4/4 is 12/4, and 12/4 plus 3/4 is 15/4. Our mixed numbers are now improper fractions, and we can multiply them by simply multiplying the numerators and multiplying the denominators. 7 times 15 equals 105, and 3 times 4 equals 12, so our answer is 105/12. But once again, we want to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number for our final answer. To find out how many whole fractions are hiding in the improper fraction, we divide the numerator by the denominator. 105 divided by 12 is 8 with a remainder of 9. The answer to our division problem tells us how many whole fractions there were in the improper fraction, 8. So 8 is the whole number part of our mixed number. The remainder tells us what the leftover fraction part will be. So the numerator will be 9 and the denominator will stay the same, 12. That means the mixed number form of our answer is 8 9/12, and that can be simplified to 8 3/4. So 2 1/3 times 3 3/4 equals 8 3/4. Okay, now you know how to multiply mixed numbers, or at least you know you don't really need to. You can convert them into improper fractions and just multiply those. But remember, the way to get good at math is to practice, so be sure to try some problems on your own. Alright, that's it for this video. Keep practicing and I'll catch you in the next one. And to purchase access to our printable worksheets, check out Mathantics.com.